This is a flip of A Million Dogs, Fabulous Canines to Color by Lulu Mayo. This is her second book in her Million Animals series. It is published by Lark. It is printed on white paper with black ink. The pages are double-sided. They are not perforated, and this is a nice medium quality paper. You should have problems, you shouldn't have any problems messing around with watercolors on this. So the rest of the book is going to be a flip with some music for you to listen to, and if you would like to purchase this book, I have my affiliate links down below where you can purchase from Amazon Canada, US, and UK. And if you do purchase from my links, then I appreciate it and I thank you for supporting my channel. And now on with the flip.